Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove Yahoo Search from the Google Chrome web browser. So if you're ever browsing around on Google Chrome and you type something into the URL address bar, or perhaps your homepage is Yahoo too, or a Yahoo search engine, and we were to just type something into the search bar, you can see it's searching on a Yahoo search engine. So in order to go change it back to Google or a different search engine option, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So all you have to do is just select the three-dotted vertical icon near the top right corner of the browser screen. Just left click on it and then select the settings. Select the search engine on the left side, and then where it says search engine used in the address bar, you want to click inside this drop down and set it to whatever you want. So you have Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and you have other options here too. You could set your own options as well, but we're going to set it to Google. And then if you select manage search engines, you can also add additional search engines if you want. So definitely, something interesting if you were interested in something like that. Click out of there. So pretty straightforward. And then also if you want to change your home page, so on startup, if you want to open the new tab page, or if you want to go ahead and open a specific page, so it might have like a Yahoo web page in here, you could add a new page by just going to say google.com. You could paste it in here too, just like highlight over the URL. Like if you want to search up Google, go to it and then copy the URL bar and then paste it in here. Whatever you want. So now if we close out of here, not only should our search engine be Google, but we should be directed to the Google home page as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.